my IVF journey first started, I had to draw a Sharpie on my butt. I never knew where to do them. Always hurt, always had lumps. This kit literally solves all of your problems.
I'm doing medications right now for egg freezing, so I ordered it, and it is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
I've been doing shots since 2018. I have done so many, I don't even know. They have never been easier than they have this transfer because of my Dandi kit.
To be quite frank, I think this is revolutionary for fertility treatment.
People just need to know about this. This is so, so amazing.
This is the kit of your dreams if you're doing IVF.
The kit comes with a hands-free compression belt to help guide your injection process.
There's a heating pad, ice pack, a massage roller. And I just think it's amazing, it's genius, and I'm so glad that someone finally hears the pain points that the IVF community has gone through. It will absolutely change their journey.
There's a level of comfort that comes with each of these pieces that I just think is so special.
This belt, okay, you put it all the way around you, and there's a little window. In this little window, you have two things you can put in it. You have this ice pack that can go in it, and then you can move the belt all the way around. So last night I had the ice pack right here. If I was doing like progesterone injections, I would have had it back here. But because it's connected in the belt, you can walk around the house with it. And then it has a heating pad that you can put into it. And the heating pad is chargeable. So you charge the heating pad with this little cable. Same thing, you put it in the little window, and then I would probably use this for PIO and put it right there. Or I'm gonna use it after my retrieval for cramps and just put it right here. It has a little pocket right here as well for you to warm your progesterone in. It comes with this little roller ball that you can roll out where you do the progesterone injections. And on top of that, it comes with this little pack of shot targets that are like this, and they're like non-toxic. You put them on where you're supposed to do your shots, and it's honestly better than having a Sharpie drawn all over you.
Every single clinic needs to give every single patient one of these. It makes it so much less isolated and intimidating. You feel like you're supported and like you just know what you're doing. It makes you feel confident.
For anybody you know going through IVF, I promise you this is going to make their experience a million times better.